The automotive industry is undergoing a significant transformation with the increasing shift towards electric vehicles, EVs. Leading this charge is Volvo, a brand synonymous with safety, innovation, and luxury. The new Volvo EX30, the latest addition to their electric lineup, represents a bold step forward. This review delves into various aspects of the EX30, including design, performance, technology, safety, and overall driving experience, offering potential buyers a detailed understanding of what to expect from Volvo's newest electric SUV. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Do you like the design of this new Volvo EX30? Kindly give your valuable response in our comment section below. Number 1. Design and aesthetics. Exterior design. The Volvo EX30 maintains the brand's legacy of sophisticated design while introducing modern elements that set it apart. The exterior is a blend of sleek lines and aerodynamic shapes, contributing to both aesthetics and efficiency. The signature Thor's Hammer LED headlights and the minimalist grille, now reimagined for the electric era, give the EX30 a distinctive yet familiar Volvo look. The vehicle's proportions strike a balance between compactness and spaciousness, making it ideal for urban environments while still offering a robust SUV stance. Interior design. Inside, the EX30 exemplifies Scandinavian design principles with its clean lines, use of natural materials, and focus on functionality. The cabin is spacious, with high-quality materials such as sustainably sourced wood and eco-friendly textiles. The minimalist dashboard is dominated by a large touchscreen interface, reducing button clutter and enhancing the modern feel. Ambient lighting and ergonomic seats contribute to a comfortable and inviting atmosphere, making long drives enjoyable. Number 2. Performance. Electric powertrain. The Volvo EX30 is equipped with an advanced electric powertrain designed to offer a balance between performance and efficiency. It comes with multiple battery options, catering to different range requirements and budgets. The higher-end variant boasts an impressive range of over 300 miles on a single charge, which is competitive within its segment. The instant torque typical of electric vehicles provides brisk acceleration, making the EX30 responsive and engaging to drive. Handling and ride comfort. The EX30's handling is refined, benefiting from a low center of gravity due to the battery placement. This enhances stability and cornering performance, offering a smooth and composed ride. The suspension system is tuned to absorb road imperfections effectively, ensuring comfort even on rougher roads. The regenerative braking system not only improves efficiency, but also provides a familiar and intuitive driving experience for those new to electric vehicles. Number 3. Technology and features. Infotainment system. The centerpiece of the EX30's technology suite is the state-of-the-art infotainment system. Running on Google Automotive Services, it integrates seamlessly with Google Maps, Google Assistant, and the Google Play Store. The large touchscreen interface is user-friendly, with crisp graphics and responsive controls. Owners can enjoy hands-free functionality, voice commands, and real-time updates, enhancing both convenience and safety. Connectivity. The EX30 supports comprehensive smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing drivers to access their favorite apps and media easily. Additionally, the vehicle offers over-the-air updates, ensuring that the software and features remain current without requiring dealership visits. The built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and premium audio system further enrich the in-car experience, making the EX30 a tech-savvy choice for modern consumers. Number 4. Safety. Volvo's commitment to safety is legendary, and the EX30 continues this tradition with a plethora of advanced safety features. Standard on the EX30 are systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking. More advanced options include pilot assist, which offers semi-autonomous driving capabilities, and a 360-degree camera system for improved visibility. Crash test ratings. While official crash test ratings for the EX30 may still be pending, Volvo's rigorous internal testing and adherence to high safety standards suggest that it will perform exceptionally well. The vehicle is built on a robust platform designed to protect occupants in the event of a collision, incorporating crumple zones, reinforced passenger compartments, and advanced airbag systems. Number 5. Practicality and utility. Interior space. The Volvo EX30 is designed to maximize interior space within its compact footprint. It offers ample headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers, making it a practical choice for families and long-distance travelers. The rear seats are versatile, with a 60/40 split folding design that expands the cargo area for larger items. Cargo capacity with the seats up. The X30 provides a respectable amount of cargo space for everyday use, such as groceries and sports equipment. Folding the rear seats down reveals a flat loading floor, significantly increasing the available storage area. Additional storage solutions such as underfloor compartments and door pockets enhance the vehicle's practicality for various needs. Number 6. Environmental impact, sustainability. Volvo's commitment to sustainability is evident in the X30's design and production. The vehicle uses recycled and renewable materials extensively, reducing its overall environmental footprint. The electric powertrain ensures zero tailpipe emissions, contributing to cleaner air and reduced greenhouse gas emissions. Battery recycling. Volvo is also focusing on the entire life cycle of the X30, including end-of-life considerations. The company has implemented programs for battery recycling, ensuring that the valuable materials used in the batteries can be recovered and reused, minimizing waste and environmental impact. Number 7. Ownership experience. Charging infrastructure. One of the critical aspects of owning an electric vehicle is access to charging infrastructure. The Volvo X30 supports fast charging, allowing for significant range recovery in a short time at compatible stations. Volvo's partnership with various charging networks ensures that owners have access to a wide array of public charging points, making long-distance travel more feasible. Conclusion. The new Volvo X30 is a compelling entry in the electric SUV market, offering a blend of style, performance, and advanced technology. Its competitive pricing makes it an attractive option for those looking to transition to electric mobility without compromising on quality or features. The vehicle's design is both modern and practical, catering to the needs of urban drivers and families alike. So this is the end of our today's video. Do you like it? Kindly give your valuable response in our comment section below, and don't forget to likes to our vid for more interesting and informative videos.